This conference will now be recorded.
So welcome back, my dear students. So we are trying to discuss about online shopping project. So in this video, so we are trying to discuss about the completely for the customer modules. And before already we done login module. Now we are going to continue with the customer module. So what is that module? Let me check this. Yes, yes. This is the module. Back to yes. This is the module. Already we discussed login module, the customer module, and product module, cart module, address module, order module. This is the modules. The same flow. So once we are understanding completely login module, the remaining things are the same, similar only. We are going to follow the same structure. Only we will concentrating on for the business logic. The rest of things are same flow, the control layer, and again service layer, and again repository. Okay. So now we are moving to code. In this code, again I'm going to start the project. Before going to start the project, you can see that completely the folder structure of this. So here the whole project, this is completely project. So integrated this project. Yeah, the whole login module, customer module, product module, cart, cart module, address module, order module. All are integrated to the in this project. So previous project I have given only for login module, but now I'm trying to give the completely for complete project. Okay, so you can go through this completely module, and I have to prepare this as a login module. First one we have to follow this one already you be done, and the second one is the second is insert all queries. All queries means order module, customer module, and the cart module. Everything we have to copy and paste into the queries. Okay. And now we are trying to discuss about that is a customer module. In this customer module also you can see the same thing we can follow that. So let me start server. Just go to here the start server and the Spring Boot and Spring controller. How many controllers we have? We can see that. We can see here how many controllers are there. Address controller, card controller, customer controller, login controller, order controller, product controller. You can follow the same methodology. You are also follow the same methodology. You can see that. Let me start the server and we will discuss that. So now I'm trying to start the server. Server is going on. So while start the server, this is a totally integrated project. This one is a totally integrated project. All the you can check this your it will create so tables also address table, card table, catalog, customer, order table, product table, user table, address table. All the tables are created manually. That's an implicitly occur. Why? Because of the application dot properties file. In this application properties file, we create it. Okay. Yes. Now we start the server. Once you start the server, server is started. Records tables also created, but there is no data. We have to insert the data manually and using Postman. Okay. So before going to that, just we can see that all the modules. So address module, cart module, customer module, login module, order module, product module for controller. The same thing we can see for a service layer. In the service layer, so I address service IMPL. We can concentrating on MPL, I cart service IMPL, and again so I customer service IMPL, I order service IMPL, and I order service MPL, and I user service and user service. Already we discussed this. So now today we are going in this video we are concentrating on the iCustomer services. You can see here iCustomer services and the customer ID, remove customer, view all customers, add customer, find customer. Okay, and implementation class that's called interfaces. Now Here is implementation class. In this implementation class, yes, implement auto-wide repository and here. Okay, and service IMPL, and next one is the service layer. In this service layer, after that repository, repository, customer repository. Okay. Yes. Now in this, okay, server is started. After server is started, and repository also we have seen here, or repositories, customer repository. Yes, customer repository. Okay, now so go to second one, all insert query, copy and paste into MySQL. Yes, including commit. Okay. If you want, we can check this customer values. So now we are going to discuss about the customer. SELECT, select the star from CUSTOMER customer. Okay. Yes. In this, so we have okay. Which database is there? The database is called, yes, which database we are using here. And now we are trying to insert the record and go to customer module. Yes, to customer. Where is the customer? Customer controller. So we are moving to customer controller. Where is the customer controller? Yes. In this customer, first one is a customer interface. Customer interface, iCustomer controller. In this, yes, here. In this customer controller, we can see, okay, customer controller, and next one is iCustomer services, and add customer, same process. And again, view customer, particular customer, and again, view all customer. Next one is a remove customer and a view customer, particularly view customer. Okay. So these many methods are there. The execution process also same only. Even execution process also same. And yes. Okay. And go to, yes, in this customer module. In this customer module, I want to do some one customer adding. So click on this, yes, and again go to Postman. In this Postman, is Control V, and again, so whatever the data is there, copy, and again now paste into here, yes, and send that information, yes. Okay. Yes, once you send that, it's a completely, yes, the record is inserted into database. You can see that whatever you enter the data is a 2-second record, the RAM, yes, ram.gmail, Kumar, and a null, this information is inserted. First we done that, so customer with the add module. Again the process also the same process, okay. Here is the customer module, iCustomer services. Now then execution moving to the yes, customer controller to add customer to the request body, and entire customer information, and again add customer, and again execution moving to the service layer. Inside a service layer, you can go to the customer service IMPL. Yes, this is customer service IMPL, add customer, the total information added into that. And again, after that execution moving to the repository. So then save the repository, customer repository. Then where is the customer repository? So in this repository, and go to Yes, here customer repository. In this customer repository, the records are inserted into the database. So this is the process we are going to follow the customer repositories. Okay, so we will continue the next video. Okay, my dear students, bye.